Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back to share with you guys these enamel dots or enamel paints that I picked up from Michael's during their sale that they have going on right now. I just shared these in my last Michael's haul, and I had a lot of requests to share how they work. I also got a lot of comments saying that theirs did not work for them, so I wanted to see if they work, and if they do work, I wanted to see how well they work, because I believe you're supposed to be able to use this to make enamel dots on your cards or layouts or whatever you're working on. It's a dimensional paint, so it's supposed to be kind of thick because, you know, if you were using dimensional paint, you're looking for the dimension. But from what I'm hearing, the paints don't even want to squeeze out of the bottle correctly. So I'll try this yellow, and what I did was I just put down a little piece of plastic here to see how they work. So right off the bat, it does come out pretty easy. I'm not really good at making enamel dots, so I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly. This is the red. I've heard the red was giving people problems, but this one comes out very, very easy as well. The bottle is very squeezy and loose, so you know, it's not hard at all to squeeze out. Oh, that one, now that one is a little bit harder. If you can see, that's how it squeezed out, and I can see that the yellow is actually trying to run a bit. So that is the white. Let's try that again. So after the first squeeze, it did come out better, and I'm guessing you just squeeze a dot on there, I guess. And I know some people were saying with the enamel dots especially that you just kind of tap the back and allow it to settle into a circle. So tapping the back does make it go more in a circular shape. But so far so good. I mean, they're actually coming out of the tube pretty good. That's the green, and we'll try the blue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to leave. Ooh, blue came out crazy. Those are crazy looking, but this blue color is so pretty. So I'm just gonna kind of just leave them here to dry, and I'll come back and share with you guys what it's like. Now these are the Pearl Effects ones, and we'll do these as well. And I'll pick it up at the end to show you guys what the colors look like. The colors are very pretty, actually. The pearl ones tend to come out just as good, I guess, as the ones that don't have pearl in it. I'll do the purple. I guess I have to get, now see, this purple is not coming out easy, and I'm squeezing it, and you know, it's nothing coming out. It feels like it's building up in the okay, so it seemed like the purple was a little hard to get out, and all I did, and it's very simple, all I did was just unscrewed this nozzle or tip and just took a straight pen, and there was like a little bit of paint stuck in the nozzle part, and once I took that out, the purple came out fine. Well, pretty good. So that is the purple, and you probably should wipe off the nozzle every time after you use it. This is the gold, and again, the gold seems very hard, so I'm just gonna take the tip off of here, and I'm going to take a little straight pin and stick it in there. And as you can see, this is what's causing the clog. It's a little hard piece in there that that's kind of stuck inside of there. So I'm just going to clean that out, and it should work fine after that. So if your bottles, if you're experiencing like your enamel paints kind of exploding on you, just take the nozzle off and clean it and put it back on, and hopefully it should be fine. Yep, and see, it came out real easy after that. This gold is really pretty. So that is the gold, and then the last one that we have is the black, and the black is kind of tight as well, so it needs to be cleaned as well, but it does flow out. And like I said, I don't really know how to make enamel dots, and so I don't think I'm doing a very good job. And I did put it on this plastic, which is a little bit more slick, and so it's not gonna really I guess sit well on here, maybe, I don't know. But I will leave these for a little while to dry, and then I'll come back and share with you guys what they look like, what they feel like after they dry. I was thinking maybe I should I'll use this little scrap piece of paper too, and I'll put a few dots on paper as well and see how that works out. And like I said, maybe the best practice would be to clean off the nozzle every time after you use. Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back because I want to share with you guys the results of those enamel paints that people are using to make enamel dots, I guess. These were the ones that I picked up from Michael's. I picked up the regular colored, like primary color, and then I also picked up the Pearl Effects paint. And these were either 50 or 60% off, plus an additional 25% off, which made them a great deal. But, you know, it's not a good deal if it doesn't work properly. So let me just share with you guys what they look like. I believe they're completely dry. And again, this is just on a clear piece of packaging. And as you can see, they are dry to the touch, but they feel a little springy, I guess. Which, you know, I think enamel dots are kind of hard. And this one, this blue one, is very runny, and I don't know if that was because the paint was maybe separating. They do pop off of this plastic because this is just packaging, but I wouldn't use these on any of my projects or anything like that. But I mean, they do work. I just have to figure out how to make them complete circles and look more like enamel dots, because right now they just look a hot mess. So this is what they look like on just regular paper, and they have like a little divot in each one of them, like a little, I don't know what that is, like a little bump in each one of them. And these are a little bit more flat, and that's because I popped it on the back after I put the paint on there, and they kind of went flat and kind of spread it a bit. But that's what it looks like on regular paper. Yeah, I don't really like them, and I don't see myself really using these. I would rather just go ahead and buy some enamel dots instead of trying to use the paints. These paints might be nice in stencils, but you would probably have to wash them right away. They would be really cute in, you know, journaling and, you know, like creative journaling. where you can just do whatever you want to do inside of your journal. They may be good for that, but otherwise I'm not exactly sure if I would use them. So that is all that I have to share with you guys. I will be back hopefully soon to share with you guys some more projects. And as always, if you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.